We are in the Idea Lab at the Bob Kirby Branch Library.
This is a special place that we've been planning for quite some time. We live in a very creative community, and we wanted a place where our community members, our patrons, could express themselves.
They can create things for their home, for their business. There's just a lot of opportunities for creating things here that will make it very valuable to our community.
I see it as the next step in the evolution of libraries. We have always been a place where people come to find knowledge and explore new interests and learn new things.
The library can also be a place to come to learn how to do something.
We're seeing a real resurgence in people's innate desire to create something with their own hands.
And rather than just telling somebody about it, we're providing them the opportunity to have a hands-on lesson.
We have a variety of items, and we hope to expand that. We have a routing carving machine, we have sewing machine, and embroidery machine, button makers, poster makers, vinyl plotter.
It's not just so much that we have it here, it's that they can come in and use it and create something for themselves. Our goal is to teach people how to use the components in the Idea Lab.
And so libraries are here to provide that information and show you how to do that.
It's really fun to have somebody come in and work on a project and get better at what they came in to learn about. Many times friends come in together and say, oh, I want to show you what I see.
The community's response to it has been tremendous because we do have such a creative community here in Bowling Green and Warren County. We just want people to have an opportunity to come and express themselves, learn something new, and do it in a very safe environment.